Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the effect of hard water. Hard water is water that has a lot of minerals, and they are harmful to your appliances, pipes, etc. because the minerals deposits gets bigger and larger and eventually cause numerous equipment, anything that touches the water and collect the deposit eventually will start failing. So this is a good example here. A lot of people ask me, so what is the effect of just having long-term hard water issues? So if you can see here, I live in an area where the water is quite hard, and I just had this, this is a temperature pressure relief valve for my water heater. So the problem gets even worse when the water is heated or evaporated, etc., where there's a difference in temperature between extreme cold, extreme hot. It seems like the minerals deposit even more, but this is not saying that you cannot accumulate deposit in a regular water tap or faucet that is just cold water. So check this out, okay, just to show you how much deposit is generated in about this is about a 10-year-old water heater. Okay, so look at that. Just this is my water distiller, and there is a output valve here to empty out the water tank, and this valve is completely closed, but it's always dripping a little bit of this mineral deposits. So I put this cup on it to catch the drip, and it used to just drip and it's caused corrosion to my shelf. And after I put the cup on, it's starting to accumulate the deposit like you see there. The deposit is similar to the one that I just showed you. It's kind of like calcium mineral deposits. It's not hard, it's brittle, and you know, I can use my finger and then break it apart. These are all coming from the water. When all this junk gets into your body, when you drink water containing all these things, I don't think that's good for your body. And same thing with the fact that these things can go into your appliances, your dishwasher, your pipe, your shower head. Look at this. This is rock hard, and it's somewhat. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you find this video useful. If you do, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up on this video, and so that you can enjoy videos like this on useful do-it-yourself tips and tricks around your house, and help support my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.